Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to First PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous class, we had discussed about calculation of geometric mean in case of discrete and continuous data. In this class, we are going to discuss harmonic mean. See, harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the set of observations, and harmonic mean is denoted by HM. See, harmonic mean is denoted by HM, and harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the set of the observations. First, let's see the calculation of harmonic mean. See, in calculation of harmonic mean, there are two cases. First one is ungrouped data, and case 2 is group data. In group data, there are two types. One is discrete data, another one is continuous data. Okay, let's see the first one, ungrouped data, calculation of ungrouped data. See, in a calculation of harmonic mean in case of ungrouped data, see the definition of harmonic mean, that is harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the set of observations. So, in case of ungrouped data, the arithmetic mean formula is, that is x bar is equal to summation x divided by n, isn't it? So, to calculate arithmetic mean in case of ungrouped data, the formula is x bar is equal to summation x divided by n, and we know that harmonic mean is denoted by HM. So, HM is equal to, what is the definition? Definition is harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean. See, in case of ungrouped data, arithmetic mean formula is x bar is equal to summation x divided by n. So, how to write reciprocal of the harmonic mean? Reciprocal of the harmonic mean, that is n divided by summation x, isn't it? So, this is the reciprocal of harmonic mean. So, how to write reciprocal of arithmetic mean? That is, ulta, we need to write like this, that is n divided by summation x. This is reciprocal of reciprocal of arithmetic mean. So, what is harmonic mean? Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the set of observations. So, set of observations, we know that set of observations are denoted by x. So, x is set of observations. So, how to write reciprocal of the set of observations? So, if I write 1 by x, this is reciprocal of x. So, if 1 by x is reciprocal of x, so here 1 by x is reciprocal of the set of observations. So, in the place of x, we need to write 1 by x. So, here 1 by x in the sense that is reciprocal of the set of observations. So, this is the formula to calculate harmonic mean in case of ungrouped data. So, what is the definition of harmonic mean? Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the set of observations. So, the harmonic mean formula is n divided by HM is equal to n divided by summation 1 by x. This is the formula to calculate harmonic mean in case of ungrouped data. Okay, next let's see the group data. See, in group data we know that there are two types, one is discrete data, another one is continuous data. So, see the formula, so the definition of harmonic mean. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean. We know that to calculate group data in case of arithmetic mean. In direct case, the formula is, that is x bar is equal to summation fx divided by capital letter N. So this is the formula to calculate arithmetic mean in case of group data in direct case. So now we need to take reciprocal of this arithmetic mean, isn't it? So harmonic mean is the reciprocal of arithmetic mean. We need to take reciprocal of this arithmetic mean. How to write reciprocal? That is N divided by summation fx. This is reciprocal. After that we need to take reciprocal of set of observations. We know that set of observation is denoted by x. So here x is there. So we need to take reciprocal of x, that is reciprocal is 1 by x. So reciprocal of set of observation is 1 by x. So now I will write in the place of x 1 by x based on our definition of harmonic mean. So that is N divided by summation f into 1 by x, that we will write this is equal to 1 by n by, okay, I will write here, this is equal to n by summation f. See here f divided by x, isn't it? F divided by 1 by x, in the sense that we can write f divided by x. So this is the formula to calculate harmonic mean in case of group data. So what is the formula? So formula is harmonic mean is equal to, what is the formula? Capital letter N divided by summation f divided by x. Okay, this is the formula to calculate harmonic mean in case of discrete data and continuous data. So see here small letter n in the sense that is number of observations and x in the sense that is set of observations. And here capital letter N in the sense, so in case of discrete data, capital letter N in the sense that is total frequency, and f in the sense that is frequencies, and x in the sense that is value of variable. And in case of continuous data, here capital letter N in the sense that is total frequency, and f in the sense that is frequency, x in the sense that is midpoint of the class interval. So this is all about the formulas of harmonic mean. Yeah, let's move to problem number 1. Here the first problem is find harmonic mean of 6.9, 7.8, 8.2, 5.6 and 3.2. So see here given informations are ungrouped data. So and here we need to calculate harmonic mean. So to calculate ungrouped data in case here ungrouped data are given and we need to calculate harmonic mean. So to calculate harmonic mean in case of ungrouped data, the harmonic mean formula is this one, isn't it? Harmonic mean is equal to n divided by summation 1 by x. So the formula is harmonic mean is equal to n divided by summation 1 by x, or you can write like this 1 by x. Okay, this is the formula. So see here x observations are given. X observations are given. That is, I will write one by one. Here x observations are 6.9, 7.8, then 8.2. First one 6.9, 7.8, 8.2, 5.6 and 3.2. So these are x observations. Then what is capital small letter n? Here small letter n in the sense that is number of observations, and number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 observations are there. So number of observations are 5. That is, we can write n is equal to 5. So here we found small letter n, and we need to calculate harmonic mean in case of ungrouped data. We need 1 by x. Then we can find sum of 1 by x. So here x observations are there. We need to find 1 by x. So next column is, that is 1 by x. Next column is 1 by x. So that is, so here x observation is 6.9. We need to find 1 by x. In the sense, in the place of x, we need to substitute 6.9. That is 1 by 6.9. So 1 by 6.9 is 0.1449. So next 1 by x, 1 by 7.8. So 1 divided by 7.8, that is 0.1282. Next 1 by 8.2. So 1 divided by 8.2 is 0.1219. Next 1 divided by 5.6. 1 divided by 5.6, that is 0.1785. Next 1 divided by x. So in the place of x, here the value is 3.2. So that is 1 divided by 3.2. The answer is 0.3125. So now we got 1 by x observations. Next we need to calculate sum of 1 by x. Here sum of 1 by x in the sense that is total of 1 by x observations. Here the first value is 0.1449, 0.1449 plus 0.1282 plus 0.1219 plus 0.1785 plus 0.3125. So here sum of 1 by x is, that is 0.886. Now I will substitute this value under this formula. So harmonic mean is equal to, what is capital small letter n? Here small letter n value is 5 divided by sum of 1 by x. So sum of 1 by x value is 0.886. So this is equal to 5 divided by 0.886 is 5.643. So this is harmonic mean for this problem. Okay, next move to problem number 2. So problem number 2 is find harmonic mean of 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 and 1 by 8. So see here given informations are ungrouped data and we need to calculate harmonic mean. So to calculate harmonic mean in case of ungrouped data, the formula is harmonic mean is equal to n divided by summation 1 by x. So here we need to first we need to write x observations, set of observations. So here given set of observations are, that is x observations. We know that set of observation is denoted by x and given observations are 1 by 2, 1 by 4, then 1 by 6 and 1 by 8. Next we need small letter n. Small letter n in the sense that is number of observations. So number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4. So here small letter n is equal to 4. Next we need 1 by x. So next column is 1 by x. So here 1 by x is, that is, see, this is x observation, 1 by 2 is x observations and we need to find 1 by 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 1 by 2 is 2 only. Or else find like, okay, first calculate like this, 1 by 2 you will get one value, then find substitute in the place of x, that is 1 by this value you will get 2 only. Next, yeah, 1 by x. So in the place of x we need to substitute 1 by 4. So here the value is 4. Next 1 by x. So here x is 1 by 6. Here the value is 6 only. Next 1 by 8. The value is 8. So these are 1 by x observations. Next we need to find summation 1 by x. So summation 1 by x is, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, that is 20. So here we got summation 1 by x value is 20. So now in the formula, harmonic mean is equal to small letter n is 4 divided by summation 1 by x. So summation 1 by x value is 20. So this is equal to 4 divided by 20 is 0.2. So here harmonic mean value is 0.2. Okay, next move to problem number 3. So here the problem number 3 is find harmonic mean of 4, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 18. So see here given informations are ungrouped data and we need to calculate harmonic mean. So to calculate harmonic mean in case of ungrouped data, the formula is harmonic mean is equal to n divided by summation 1 by x. Yeah, n divided by summation 1 by x, and here given set of observations are, that is 4, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 18. So here x observations are, these are the x observations and we need what is small letter n. A small letter n is, that is number of observation, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here number of observations are 6 and we need to write n is equal to 6. And next we need to find 1 by x based on our formula. So here first x value is 4, therefore 1 by 4 is, that is 0.25. Next 1 by 5 is, that is 0.2. Next 1 by 8, that is 0.125. Next 1.11, that is 0.0909. Next 1 by 14, that is 0.0714. Next 1 by 18, that is 0.055. So these are 1 by x observations. Next we need to find summation 1 by x. So that is total of 1 by x observations. Here the first value is 0.25 plus 0.2 plus 0.125 plus 0.0909 plus 0.0714 plus 0.055. So here sum of 1 by x value is 0.7923. Okay, next in the formula harmonic mean is equal to what is small letter n? Here the small letter n is 6 divided by sum of 1 by x value is 0.7923 and this is equal to 6 divided by 0.7923 is 7.572. So here the harmonic mean value is 7.572. Okay, this is all about calculation of harmonic mean in case of ungrouped data. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.